Hello students, welcome to the class 7th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn chapter 2 measurements. The special topic is circumference of a circle. So what do you mean by circumference of a circle? It's nothing, in one word we can say, that is perimeter. The boundary of the circle is called perimeter. So in the circle, the middle point or the center is called O. Then the distance between midpoint of the circle to the any point of the circle or the distance between the point to the center of the circle is called radius. If the distance is extended or the twice, if a point the position passes through the circle can be named as diameter, so that we can write it as D. So we can say the two position of the string which falls on the straight line is the diameter of the circle. So here we can remember the keyword. So the diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. So the diameter is equal to 2 times of radius, or 2 times of radius is equal to diameter. Here circumference of the circle, to find we have a formula, that is 2 pi r units. So that we can write it C equal to 2 pi r units. So circumference of the circle, in other words we can say, using the diameter. When diameter is given, we can use this formula, pi d units. So what is pi? Pi is a constant value which is used in the construction of the popular pyramids of Egypt. Here we can learn the constant value of the pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. Now let's move to the exercise 2.1. Find the missing values in the following table for the circles with radius, diameter and circumference. So the missing values will be maybe radius or maybe diameter or maybe circumference. We need to find the missing values of the table. In the first subdivision, radius is given. We need to find the diameter and we need to find the circumference. In the first question, find the missing values. The first one is radius 15 centimeter is given. We need to find the diameter and we need to find the circumference. We know the formula, that is circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r units. So this formula we can use when radius is given. So therefore, to find the C, 2 pi r, 2, the pi value is given in the question, or you have to remember and learn it, that is 22 by 7, or you can substitute 3.14. 22 by 7 into the R value is given, that is 15 centimeter. Here we cannot cancel this value 22 by 7 into 15. So instead of 22 by 7, we can substitute the value 3.14 and then we can multiply with 15. Then 2 15s are, we know, that is 30. Then multiply it 3.14. Product of 3.14 into 30, we get 94.20. Here 0 no need to be considered. Then the circumference value is 94.2. The given unit is centimeter. So we can write 94.2 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. But one more we need to find it out, that is D equal to, we need to find. So therefore diameter we can find we know that d equal to 2 times of radius. So therefore diameter d equal to 2r. So therefore 2 equal to 2 into radius is 15 centimeter. Then 2 into 15 we get 30 and the unit is centimeter. Therefore the diameter is 30 centimeter. Circumference is equal to 94.2 centimeter. So one more thing you have to remember in this multiplication, there are two decimals after the decimal point. So therefore we move the two digits to the front or to the forward, then we keep the decimal point 94.20 so that we get this value. In the second subdivision, radius is not given, diameter is not given, but the circumference given 1760 centimeter. So what is C? C is the circumference of the circle. So that they have given 1760 centimeter. So the circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r equal to 1760. So therefore we can substitute the pi value, that is 22 by 7 into r we do not know, the radius we need to find. Then the circumference of the circle is 1760. Now keep the unknown value to the left side and take the remaining values to the other side. Then the values will become numerator and the denominator. Then we get 2 into 22. Here the denominator becomes a numerator, that is 7. Now we can cancel this using the 2 table. Then we get 8 2s are 16. Carry the remaining. Then 8 2s are 16. Then the remaining 0 will come here. Then if I cancel by the 2 table, I get 11 times. Here I get 4 times and 4 times and the remaining 0 I will get. Then if I cancel it with 11 table, I get 4 times for 44. Then the remaining 0 I get. So the remaining values for the radius is 40 into 7. And the product of 40 into 7, I get 280 centimeter, which is the given unit centimeter. So I got radius for this table, and next I need to find out the diameter. What is diameter? So diameter is nothing, d equal to 2 times of radius. So d equal to 2 into radius value is 280. Then 2 into 280 I get 560. That is 560 centimeter, which is a given unit. In the third subdivision, radius is not given, diameter is given, circumference has to be found. Here we need to find the radius, isn't it? So we know the formula, that is d equal to 2 times of radius. But here the d value is given, that is 24. That is equal to 2 times of radius. Therefore I can write it 2r equal to 24. Then r equal to 24 divided by 2. Then if I cancel it with by the 2 table, I get 12. Then the radius is 12 meter. Next, I can go for the circumference of this circle, that is circumference of the circle formula is C equal to 2 pi r units. Therefore, to find a C, 2 is value, then pi value is, you can substitute 22 by 7 into r value is 12. Here we cannot divide this value. So instead of 22 by 7, put 3.14 and then let's go for the multiplication. Now 2 into 24 we get 24. With the multiplication of 3.14 we get 3.14 into 24. Product of this we get 75.36 because here we have a 2 digits of decimal. Therefore, if we move the decimal point to the left side, then we get 75.36. Then the circumference value is 75.36 meter, which is a given unit. Now the second question is, diameters of different circles are given below. Find their circumference. Here we need to take the pi value must as a 22/7. The first one diameter is given 70 centimeter. Second one diameter 56 meter. For the third one 28 millimeter is given. Find the circumference when diameter is given, where the pi value is 22/7 and the d is given equal to 70 centimeter. We know the formula, that is circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r units, isn't it? So one more formula we have studied, that is circumference of the circle r is pi d units. This we could use when diameter is given. Here we could use the circumference of the circle formula C equal to pi d units. This formula we could use it. So therefore C equal to pi value they have given, that is 22/7. Then the d value is 70 centimeter. Okay, if we cancel it by 7 table, then we get 10. Then multiplication of 22 into 10, we get circumference of the circle is 220 centimeter. So this is the circumference of the circle. For the second subdivision, they have given 56 meter. So circumference of the circle formula is equal to pi d units. Here the pi value is 22/7. Then 56 is a d value. If we cancel it by 7 table, then we get 8 times of 7 is equal to 56. So therefore 22 into 8 we get 176 meter. Now the third subdivision is d equal to 28 millimeter is given. So here the C formula is circumference of the circle for the d pi d units. Then the pi value is 22/7. The d value is 28. Then if we cancel it by 7 table, we get 7 fours are 28. Then product of 22 into 4, we get 88, but the measure of the unit is millimeter. So that we must write for the end of this answer. So therefore C equal to 88 millimeter. In the third question, find the circumference of the circles whose radii are given below. Here radii refers the plural and the radius is singular. Here the first subdivision is given 49 centimeter. So the what is given is radius is given, that is r equal to 49 centimeter. So to find the circumference of the circle when radius is given, we have to use this formula, that is circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r units. Here the pi value is 22 by 7. Then the R value is 49. If we cancel it by 7 table, then we get 7 sevens are 49. Then multiply the remaining values. Therefore, 44 into 7, 308, but the given unit is centimeter. So put C equal to 308 centimeter. Next, the second subdivision is 91 millimeter. Here they have given R equal to 91 millimeter, which is the radius. So we could use the formula circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r units. Here pi value we can take it 22 by 7 and the r value is 91. Now if we repeat the 7 table, 7 ones are 7 and then 7 13s are 91 will get. So the remaining values are 2 into 22 into 13, which means 44 into 13. So product of 44 into 13 we get 572. Therefore, circumference of the circle is 572 millimeter. The fourth question, the diameter of the circular well is 4.2 meter. What is its circumference? In this question, the diameter of the circular well is d equal to 4.2 meter is given. So to find the circumference of the circle, we have the formula, that is circumference of the circle equal to pi d units. Therefore, C equal to pi d we could write. So here given is d equal to 4.2 meter is given. Then C equal to 22 by 7 into the d value is 4.2. Here if we cancel it by 7 table, then we get 6 times of 7 equal to 42. Then we can write 0.6. So therefore 22 into 0.6 we get C equal to 13.2 meter. I hope you have understood clearly. Thank you.